Today I've been set a challenge by my wife. Wifey says to me last night when I get home, I have a challenge for you. And I find this. One large metal hook and a lot of very ugly bright green string. She says, Stefan, you've got to do to me what Casey did. He found his drone from the top of a building using a piece of string and some hooky thing. So I've been getting her to watch more YouTube stuff, but now she's starting to use it on me. So, what are we going to do? Well, we'll show you, first of all, the situation. Ready? Just going to attach you. Alright, here we go. So here's the situation. We live on the second floor and we have one shaft so we can see the sun. You don't get much sun in Barcelona. And there is the issue down there. Can you see that? I'll zoom in. My wife's favourite undies and a couple of pegs. So my challenge is to get that bit of string and that hook. Simple, no? Well, I'm not so sure, but let's see how we go. So, this hook, if we put it like this, that's not going to pick up the undies because it'll be too high here. So what I'm thinking is that if we rotate this around to the end, then it'll hang more on a bit of an angle like that, rather than like that. Sorry if I'm a bit close there. So, let's have a look. I'm going to tape this string. I have no idea why we have such bright string. It's not going to be used for anything else, I can tell you that. So, it's not pretty, but there we have it. Can you focus? Mr. Autofocus? Alright, you're focusing on my head, I can see you. Alright, let's have a look, Nice. Right, come over here. I'll bring you over here. I'll put you up here so you can see all the goodness. Alright, you ready? It's surprising how exciting it is. Yeah, it's a long way. Let's bring you over and have a look at the situation. You ready? It's a fair way to the side. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this without dropping the camera. That would be a tragedy. I just got to find them. Oh, you're kidding. Can you see that? I've got it already. Casey Neistat, eat your heart out. That was the first time. And with a pair of undies. I can't do this and hold camera. I'm going to put it back. God, I don't want to lose the undies. It might have been pure luck and I'll never repeat it. Right. God, I can't even see if you can see. Ready? My wife's favourite undies. Casey Neistat, you are inspiring us in ways you'll never know. Awesome.